tweeted this and the solar wasn't cheap. And it's not cheap.
Did you see? You came in the bathroom.
Right?
No. It's really time you might not come and see.
Oh jeez, okay, fair enough.
So within the building as well, we have the same thing.
On each level?
On each level.
So this is called a fire point, and everybody about the exit of building needs to have a fire point. As I keep saying that sometimes you all put us in a there's no wall to actually mount this. So every time you have exit to the road, you know, to outside, you need to have a fire point, and it looks like this. So make sure there's enough space for the engineer to come. Right.
Just remember, consider services.
So it's your comfort to them.
Alright. This is an annunciator.
I have a question. Sorry. Why is the fire point? Why is it required at every exit point?
That's Jamaica Fire Brigade, that's code.
Yeah, that's fire code.
That's fire code.
When them come, them supposed to get access.
Right, so this is an annunciator. So the main panel is down by the basement, but because we can't reach, we might not be able to reach here fast enough. This is just a mini panel, just in case anything goes off. We can come here and look to see where the fire is, where the affected area is. So the detectors or the pull station, anything will tell you. So you read the panel, it tells you all of them, all of the points. So all of them, we call them, they have addresses. So they are all numbered. So if you see 24, you go and you look and you see the room number like anatomy lab or the admin office, wherever, and you look, there's a number associated, so you know which detector went off, which pull station was pulled. So like this morning, before the guys came, there was a glitch in the system, so everybody had to evacuate.
What?
So yeah.
You're drama.
So you know, and it's important that when service is going, I know we're just doing drawings and designs and stuff, but it's important to service all service equipment and unit within our building.
That's why you must make it accessible.
Apart from the fire prevention system, do you guys have fire extinguishers over there?
Yeah, man, we have fire extinguishers, but that's another thing as well. So
I know, because those need to be serviced and they are only.
yeah, they need to be serviced and only that, but fire extinguishers can go wow. You have to make sure that when you're designing and building them in an area that is accessible and secure. But also in the event of a fire, somebody can grab
get it. Yeah. So that's just it. Where do you find that balance?
Alright, so we right now it's kind of difficult to find a balance, but the station that you showed you, every one of those stations had a fire extinguisher in them, but they just went out, they just walked out.
Oh, jeez.
Right. And also, so you will see, I'll show you points within the building, so within the labs, depending on the size and the requirement through the fire code, we have where you put the fire extinguishers on hooks. Where's the fire stairs? Where's the fire stairs?
It's outside the building.
The emergency
Yeah,
exit.
there's a metal one on the other side, yeah.
But through the building, you will see the exit signs and all of that, so like the main staircase.
Nice furniture, still looking good.
Yeah, we tried. We tried. Alright,
With
so.
no funds.
No.